Cultural performers from Tobago journeyed to Trinidad to compete in the finals of the Prime Minister's Best Village Trophy competition, showcasing the island's rich traditions and artistic flair. The groups, representing Tobago competing against some of the best in the nation, displayed their talent in several categories, including music. And various categories of song. The dedicated performers also engaged the judges and the audience in a display of creativity in categories of dance. And the Tobago Drama Guild in the local fusion category. It's love, it's love, and my eyes are my destination. The Tobago competitors highlighted exceptional skills and passion, with each performance showing the depth and the diversity of the island's cultural landscape. The Prime Minister's Best Village Trophy competition is a long-standing initiative aimed at promoting community spirit and cultural appreciation. I'm Julia James reporting from the Division of Tourism, Culture, Antiquities and Transportation.